Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add email address to Instagram on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to add your email address to your Instagram, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just go to your profile in the right bottom corner, just tap on it and here just select three dots in the top right corner and then you just have to select your account center and here select personal details and here you just have to select your contact info, then select add new contact and here you have to select your add email section and here you have to select your Instagram and then select next, but first you have to enter your email address here. As I have entered mine, now tap on next and after that your email will be successfully added to your Instagram account. So that's how you can easily add your email address to your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.